Welcome, I'm Bev Adams. I own an independent paper crafting business showcasing products from Stampin' Up! I sell the products I used in this video and also a few items to make crafting more convenient. I have free detailed directions for this project on my website. You'll see where to find that at the end of this video. So don't worry about taking notes. It's time to put stamps, ink, and paper together. If you're new to stamping, ask me for one of these catalogs. I'd be happy to send this to you. This catalog is perfect for new stampers or stampers that want something quick and easy to send off. It has bundles that have everything you need. This is the one I'm going to be using today. And a few additional products that you might want to pick up. If you order this Celebrate with Cake cards for one item number for just $46.50, you get everything you need to make lots of cards. You get this stamp set and the D block. You'll also get these two full-size stamp pads, Granny Apple Green and Flirty Flamingo. And you also get Whisper White note cards and envelopes. You get enough for 20 cards. You also get some instructions for a few projects that you can just follow those directions, or you can make your own. If Flirty Flamingo and Granny Apple Green are not your favorite colors, you are welcome to pick from any of our 50 colors that we have available for you. Just order the supplies individually and then select different colors. If you'd like to see all of the colors that Stampin' Up! Offers, go to my website and click Shop Now. On the left side of the Stampin' Up! Store, find the word Inks and click that, and you will be shown all of our ink colors. So let me show you this card. I'm actually going to not be using the D block. All of these stamps will on the D block, but it's much easier for me if I put them on different blocks, and it's easier if they all fit exactly. Stampin' Up! Sells two kinds of stamps, red rubber and then these photopolymer stamps. You will put the stamps on the block, so you don't have a block for each stamp set you own or each stamp. You reuse these blocks over and over again. So the card comes folded flat, but it is scored, so all you have to do is fold it on the score line and crease it. You can stamp so your cards are used vertically or horizontally. I've got it with the fold on the top, and I'm starting with Granny Apple Green. To open the stamp pads, just flip them up and slide them in. And with the photopolymer, sometimes it works out better to have a magazine or pad of paper underneath, and I am using a Stampin' Pierce mat from Stampin' Up! And I'm just inking. When you ink your stamps, you don't have to press hard, you just tap, tap, tap. And I'm stamping to the bottom right. Birthday wishes, lots of birthday wishes. And then I'm stamping with the mailbox right over that. And then I'm stamping the stems of these flowers. And then I want to switch to the Flirty Flamingo. And you're just going to put your flowers on top of the stems. And back to the Granny Apple Green. Sending you. Now while you're stamping the flowers, of course I didn't do it at the same time, but you certainly can. I'm also stamping on the envelope. And on the inside of the card, I'm going to stamp a whole row of stamps. And then putting the flowers up here. Again, I'm wishing I could put my head right where the camera is right now. So I'm at an angle. And there I have a card and an envelope. Quick and easy. Here's the web address for this project where you'll find the free detailed directions and links for the products I used. Just click the links and you'll be taken to my online store at Stampin' Up! Click Home near the top of my page and you'll find lots of resources. Under Shop, I have tips for online shopping, frequent shopper rewards, and products I offer to help you stay organized. Share my Evernote notebook for a nominal contribution. It functions as a fully searchable catalog. I offer a cardstock sampler, taggers to help you identify those dies with lots of similar shapes, heavy-duty bags to store 12 by 12 and 6 by 6 paper, and a bow maker. Inspiration takes you to all my projects. If you're new to stamping, you might want to look at the basics. You'll find how to cut card bases and layers, what's special about Stampin' Up! Stamps, and some of my favorite tools. Under Organization, you'll find catalog tabs, labels, and case inserts, a practically free stamp pad storage solution, a basic toolkit, color charts by alphabet, color family, and rainbow order, products by color, and RGB codes, and you can take a tour of my craft wall. More organization means more time for crafting. Come stamp with me here in Ventura County, California, or get the best deal of all and join my team of crafters. The team is called SIP Together, and it stands for Stamps, Ink, and Paper Together. The team is made of crafters who want to save money on the products they buy, share with a few friends, or to grow a business like mine. Be sure to subscribe to my website and on YouTube. I'd love to hear your comments. Thank you for joining me. Talk to you soon. Bye.